What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to take you through a pretty quick and easy process of cleaning or descaling your UltimaCosa espresso machine. Normally this light would be on and bugging you to clean it after a couple months of use. But today we're going to pretend like it's on even though it's off. First thing you do is turn it on, and you want to make sure that you have at least water up to the first line, and then add 10 milliliters of vinegar, cleaning vinegar, white vinegar, not the brown stuff, the white stuff. So it acts as a descaler. So once your lights are on, you want to press and hold all three buttons on the right. Once it beeps and starts flashing, you want to turn this switch forward, which tells it to start the descale process. Now I'm going to make this a continuous video so you know exactly how long it takes. And someone will say, hey, why are you using plastic? Isn't it going to melt? No. Tupperware plastic I found is unaffected by the temperature of the water coming out. And we're not drinking it, so it's perfectly fine. So you want to listen for these steps, these changes in function, where it goes from continuous to pulsing. And it'll do that until it's done with the cycle. You can hear the changes in how it's steaming or pushing the water out of both. It's almost done. Notice how much water it's going through. So that's it. It's done with the cycle. Now at this point, this is where you change out the water. You empty the, whatever's left in the container. Flush it, rinse it, get anything that has vinegar still in it, flush it out. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to pretend we did that. And you don't want to turn it off. When you reach this point in the cycle, you flip it towards the back. And the back tells the machine to start flushing the system with clean water. And it'll go through a cycle of flushing with clean water. Now, one thing I forgot to do was empty this container out, but we'll be okay. That's how you know it's almost done. You notice we're up to 4.5 minutes. Whole process takes, about 5. All right. Now it's telling you it's done. It's clean. So at this point, turn the knob back to center and power it off, and you'll notice the light goes out. The clean descale light is gone. You see? No more flashing. So you want to do this about every 3 months or when the indicator kicks off. 10 milliliters of white vinegar, water in the reservoir up to at least 1 liter. And I like to run it a couple times just to make sure everything's flushed out so the coffee doesn't taste like vinegar. That's it. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe.